ordered this because I wanted a headlamp for when I'm camping and when I'm hunting, but I wanted something that obviously has red. This has red. What I didn't realize until after I ordered it is that it also has sensor controls. So that's something I'm going to be checking out. But I wanted to unbox it. I wanted to unbox it here so that you can see everything that comes with it and what it looks like when you get this thing. So, manual, charger cable, clips of some kind, the actual light itself, and the head strap. Okay, so the battery pack sits on the back of it, and the light sits on the front. And yeah, USB-C. Someone's sensible. No more micro USB nonsense. So you press it to turn it on. Swipe left and right to do the change between modes. Swipe up to go brighter, swipe down to go dimmer. But what it doesn't do is, it doesn't switch between red. It does do hand gestures for the red. It doesn't switch between modes once you got the red. So that's still cool. Let's take it out to the field and see how bright it is and how well that red works. What I'm really interested in seeing is how well that red works in full brightness, because that's what I'll be using the most, the red light. All right, red light. Oh, come on. This never really works well. Anyway, let's go brighter. Let's go brighter. That is the brightest. And lower, lower, lower. And then if we double click to go white,